Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm so excited to do this giveaway announcement video. I am here with my niece Jamie. She was here last time when I did my Christmas giveaway in December. So I just got back from my P.O Box and I just wanted to address these items first because I am so touched, and I was a little sentimental earlier because of the cute items that I received. So I wanted to come on here on a video to say thank you to Martha for getting me this this card. It's a get well soon card, so thank you so much, Martha. It means a lot. You guys know I was recovering from surgery. And then I got these items from Chris. Thank you so much. I got a gnome and some window clings, and I also got this cute bunny, and I love that you can move the arms and the legs. Super cute. I am so excited to use this in my decor for my Easter decorate with me. And I also received 2 of the gnomes from Dollar Tree. These are, very popular, so thank you so much for that. I received 3 note cards, and note cards are one of those things that is so special because now it's all through text or email, so a handwritten card is always something special to me. And by the way, your handwriting is beautiful, so thank you for your cute cards. And all the stickers that you put on the packages were really cute.
Yeah, they were.
The cupcake with the,
the googly eyes.
The googly eyes, super adorable. Oh goodness, I almost forgot to show this. Isn't this so cute? Thank you so much, Chris. Oh my god, this is so adorable. I tried rolling it, the other way so I can, have it more straight. But, oh my god, it was adorable. And it did get a little bit of air bubbles, but I took off the outer decal. But, oh my god, these are so cute. Thank you so much. I have to see what I'm going to do with this. Or I'm going to put it in a sign or something. But, thank you so much. I just love it so much. And she knows how much I love it.
She's crazy about them.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay guys, so let's get started. So I do have my things ready to, mail those out. She has the website on there, right?
Yep.
So
are we doing the Easter market signs or no?
We should do the gnome signs first.
Oh,
okay guys, so here in the bag is all of the gnome signs. All 3 of them. So put the keywords.
Gnome lover?
It's Easter gnome lover. Okay, so she's inputting the keywords, and we are using, the website that randomly chooses the winner.
Okay, so
yeah,
they're all here now.
Okay. Good luck to everyone. Okay, go. And guys, I am not gonna comment next time.
Okay.
It came out where I said, guys, put the keywords Easter gnome lover. So we're going again.
Oh.
Okay. So we got Mary Otero. Turn around. Mary Otero, you said, Easter gnome lover, I enjoy watching your videos. So congratulations, Mary. You did get the 3 gnomes. The sun's in the way. So congratulations. And now we will do the other is the Easter market signs for the 2 cutting boards. And hopefully I don't come out again. Watch it be me again. Oh my goodness. I told you, look. Oh god. I'm not going to comment next time. This is so funny. I see my face popping out.
If it look
at me. Look at me.
Keep on going.
Oh my goodness. Anyway, keep going, keep going.
Pick another winner.
Because some people were, oh, okay, that's good. Some people were commenting, not the correct order, or they were
changing spelling up a little bit.
Yeah, they were, misspelling. So I was trying to correct people. So here we are, Real Mommy Life. Where are you? Focus. Okay, there we go. Congratulations. I've been looking everywhere for those cutting board signs, but my stores don't have them. I'd like to win the Easter Market sign. So congratulations. So if you are one of those winners, please contact me as soon as possible, either through my email, which I will link in my description box or the top comment, or even in the comments you can leave your email, or on Instagram you can message me through there, or Facebook if you have. I will be giving you 3 days from the day that this video is posted, so you can contact me. If in 3 days you don't contact me, I will have to pick somebody else randomly. So please, hopefully you guys can see this video as soon as possible. So congratulations, and I will be doing more giveaways in the future. Thank you guys so much for watching and for all the love and support, and yeah, see you guys in my next video.
Bye.
Goodbye, guys.